Welcome back to Veeps Garage. So I actually got a package in the mail for something I didn't actually buy. I actually won a contest. So Kevin from vintagevises.com has a contest every week to see who could guess the closest price of an eBay auction for a vice. So I happened to guess the closest. I believe the winning amount on this auction was $66, and I guessed $63 and change. So I was the closest. I won. I didn't know what I was going to win. And he said I'd find out once I get it. The only thing I know is that he said he saw a picture of my garage online and I might already have this item. So I'm not sure what it is because I don't really know what picture he saw online. So let's take a look. We'll hide all that. Well, I guess I got some catalogs and an old shipping label. Let's see what this says. I think it has Kevin's address on it. We won't show that. Did I win something from Eastwood? I think they're just flyers. Another Eastwood catalog. Take a look. Looks like it's a vice. There it is. Looks like it's a Heinrich. If you could see, it's model 3SV. These are awesome because they're quick release. So that's locked. Pull it up, pull it out, and it releases. And then to lock it, you just push it in wherever you want. Push that down, and actually, if you noticed, it engages. He did tell me this one needs work when he said it's something I already had, but looks like if you see right here, the screw is loose. Let's see if we can tighten it.
Take a 1/4 inch. Yes.
Looks like it's missing jaws too, so I'll have to either buy some new jaws or make something to fit. I'm sure I could fab something up. I've restored one of these in the past. I think it was I can't remember if it was a 6SV or an 8SV, but it was a pretty nice one. It was somewhat chewed up, but I was able to fill in the drill marks, and I repainted it and ended up selling it on eBay. So I do have another one of these, a little larger. So we'll have to check it out. So, yeah, it looks like I need a different size bolt. So, that'll be for another day. But, overall, it's looks like it's in good shape. Nothing's really broken. A few drill marks down here, but it's not a big deal. So, awesome. Thanks, Kevin, for sending me the vise. Okay, here's the Heinrich vise I already had. This one's actually a 4SV, so this one has 4-inch jaws. 3SV has 3-inch jaws. And this one is actually in really rough shape. I haven't even used this one yet. So this one's also fully intact. And you can see when you tighten it, jaw does get pushed in, but definitely needs to be cleaned up. You can barely pull it up open. So if I do a restoration video on this, I'll show everybody how to take these apart. The hardest part is taking apart these because they're actually pressed in. So they're pressed in on both sides. There's no screws. When I originally restored that 6SV, I think I actually just used a hammer and the right size steel rod or punched these out. But then the end started mushrooming. So now I actually have an arbor press. Maybe this will fit. I'm not really sure, but hopefully it does. It'll be another useful reason to have an arbor press. So hopefully I can do that. You know, maybe restore both of these at the same time. Kind of a cool double vise project. So again, thanks Kevin for sending me that vise. I really appreciate it. And go check out his website, vintagevises.com. I'll put a link in the description. And also don't forget to follow him on Facebook. So I think you might be able to win something vice related as well if he keeps continuing to do these contests. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload the next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.